A few years ago, getting your mark sheet verified would be a huge hassle. You would have to go to different departments in your college, find somebody who would look at your document and compare it with your own records and registers, and then stamp it. The stamp would then mean that your document is okay. Today, this process is much simpler and faster, all thanks to digital verification. It's been made possible through open standards, which essentially ensure digital registers maintained by different systems communicate with each other and verify details accordingly. Let's take an example of COVID, a platform most of us have used to get our COVID vaccination certificates. But how were these certificates generated? And how did COVID ensure that these certificates were genuine? COVID manages the entire vaccination process, from registration to the administration of the vaccine to generation of certificates. But behind COVID is DIVOC, the digital infrastructure for open credentialing. DIVOC defines a set of open standards and rules that all the systems, be it a vaccine supplier, a hospital, or a vaccination center, must follow. When you get vaccinated, details about the supplier, the batch number, the center details, to the date of vaccination are all recorded and shared across the system. DIVOC then ensures that all of this information is accurate and is verified at each and every step. When someone scans a QR code on your certificate, COVID quickly verifies that everything matches up and confirms that you actually received the genuine vaccination. DIVOC's technology has been key in certifying the administration of over 2 billion doses, making the verification process reliable and efficient. This is how digital verification systems like DIVOC and platforms like CoWIN ensures that the documents that we rely on are accurate and trustworthy. And now, for class 10 and 12, CBSE has actually integrated with DigiLocker, where you can automatically find your mark sheets as verifiable credentials once the results are announced. Samagra will be back soon with another episode of Governance Decluttered, where we decode everyday governance in India.
Find us at DPG Dialogues to learn more.